Alright guys, as I said more in my Telegram channel, so here I can see we are looking for buy Bank Nifty. So specific this level. So let me show you here. You can see Bank Nifty looking for buy in this level. So somewhere here, so you zoom in and let's just check it 44078. That was above that level, and the next 43929, but price not able to pull back to this level. So where exactly we enter buy? We did two trade today, one buy and next sell. So let me show you and let me explain why I enter in that specific level. So let me use this. Okay, frame first. So let okay, profit. Okay, red little bit. Okay, tick. Okay, perfect. Now you can see price open somewhere there and pull back to this level. All right. After that, we have seen some little bit correction in this area. So we can say some pattern are forming in this area, but we are not able to enter in this area. So later you can see price hit that level and pull back, hit that level and pull back, and hit that level and pull back again, and goes up a little bit and pull back, and it goes up, pull back. So in that case, we have seen the format W pattern. So here I can see that is a W pattern. So exactly this W pattern are forming near 0.25 standard deviation level. So let me show you what is the 2.5 standard deviation level. So here, let's check it the opening price. Opening price is 44078. Let me put it here. So first, let me remove this data. Now, okay, let me remove all things. Let me use 44078. So once I click, so here I can see 0.25 standard deviation, 0.5 standard deviation, but price today in between this range. All right, so that is why we enter. So basically we was focusing on a buy direction. So that is why we enter first a buy. So while later on I place a sell order, so I'll explain exactly. So what is the actual level? So let me write somewhere here. First target 44152 is the upper side, and the lower side 44003 is a downside. All right. So let me show you here. Okay, so here I can see after giving a correction exactly near this level 4403, what I already told you, according to the standard deviation 0.25 standard deviation, that is the standard deviation level. All right, so price pull back, and above that level we have seen a head and shoulder pattern, all right, after giving a correction. So in that case, once they break this level, we enter exactly. So later price goes to the level of 44125, which was upper side 0.25 standard deviation. Exactly we close in that area. All right. So after that, we have seen they are losing their momentum. So here I can see in this area, price are running very slowly like that. They are forming price action method like that, and finally break this area, and again we short in this area, and the target was around 44003. So why I enter here? So I'll explain exactly. All right. So most of the people asking me, sir, why you haven't closed your position somewhere there after giving correction like that after breaking this area? So I'll show you exactly why I'm not able to close that position. So there was no confirmation. All right, let me write somewhere here. mm, 44152. That is my level. All right, 0.25 standard deviation, and the lower side was 4403. Just a minute, three. That one. All right. Okay, perfect. That is my lower line. All right. I can see according to my chart pattern and the candlestick pattern here. I can see. So I got an opportunity to enter in this area, right? In this area exactly after breaking this level. So now you can see this area, this level was here. All right, once I click on cursor, so let me show you. Here I can see in this area, have you seen? So break this level, so we enter. So after that, they form a bullish, another confirmation. So next, they form a bearish candle. So in that case, I just trying to close that area, but here I can see price not able to break this red line. All right, so little bit they break this area, so not able to close. So after that, I place my SL order a little bit below, but luckily price not able to hit my level and again form a bullish candle. So once bullish candle, I continue my position. All right. So later here you can see bullish candle. After that, given a little bit pullback and again goes up. And the next, they form a bearish candle, and I decide to close below this candle. So next, the price not able to break this lower point. So here I can see next area here. So again, I decide to close below this area. So next, the candle goes up little bit, and that next here again exactly hit my level. What was the level? 44152. That was 0.25 standard deviation. I booked my profit by taking 100 point. So later here you can see somewhere here. So let me show you here. So why I place sell order. So here I connect a supporting line by using this swing point. So where was the swing point? That was swing point, that was swing point, and that was rejection multiple times. And finally, you can see 15 minutes they form a red candle. So once they form a red candle, I decide to take sell position. Why? Because price not able to break this 0.25 standard deviation somewhere there and form a bearish candle. So in this area, standard deviation a little bit far from this candle, so that is why I not able to close, or I'm not deciding to close my position. So finally, somewhere here, just below 0.25 standard deviation, they form a red candle, and I use pullback trading strategy. So in that case, in a small time frame, they broke a range. All right, range. They break this range actually. So once break this range and again pull back and reject this area. So later on, I just enter in this candle. All right. So here I can see I entered. So price drop, given a little bit pullback, and somewhere I draw a trend line by connecting this swing point like that. So I just waiting to break this level. If price break and the confirmation forming here, bullish confirmation or bullish candle are forming, so definitely I'll close my position. But finally, price hit this level, but here some bullish candle. Next, they form a bearish candle, again bullish candle. So finally, here you can see price goes and exactly hit my another level 44003 level, which was 0.25 standard deviation. So here we catch 200 point only. So, but today I did money management of position sizing. So how exactly I'm doing the position sizing? In a small account, I'm just placing 10 lot only, 10 lot into 250. All right, 10 lot. I just using 10 lot. So if price are running like that, I just selecting like 30 to 40, 30 to 40 delta strike price. All right, means if price goes, so my if 100 point goes against me, so my loss will be 30 rupees or 40 rupees only. Why? Because my delta is very low. So when momentum is very low, so I'm using this type of uh, strategy. All right. So later I'll explain how to use how to do the position sizing. So most of the people are thinking that was a fat breakout, right? This area. So let me show you. Once they form here, bullish candle. So next candle, there are no pullback. All right. So basically, we are using breakout trading strategy. So here I can see price not able to break this area and price drop this level, all right, from this area. So once they break, so I just continue my position and exactly close my position. Later we have seen some trade opportunity, but there are no trade opportunity in 15-minute time frame. All right, so that is why I'm not able to enter here. Okay, let me explain for tomorrow. So here I can see this one at 30-minute time frame, and the price in between is range only. So right now, if you not see in a daily time frame, basically I'm looking for short tomorrow. I'm just focusing on a sell side tomorrow most of that time. But if price gap down, open a gap down like in between this range around uh, 43844, so definitely I'll go for buy. All right. So after giving a correction to this level, so I hope it will give a pull back a little bit. So first half, I'll focus on a buy side. So basically, I'll increase my lot size in a sell side only. So if price open a gap up, so but not above this level. Remember, not above 44125. Let me tell you, 44125. So 152. If price open above this area, so definitely I'll go for buy. All right, after giving a pullback like that or pullback like that. But if price open below this 44125, most of the time I'll focus on a sell side. All right, or if price open like here in between this area, so definitely I'll go for a buy. My lot size will be same, but I'll buy out of the money, out of the money. Tomorrow going to expire, but for the buy side, I'll select next week expiry. Remember, that is the important thing. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for giving your valuable time.